One of the most common questions that I get from our customers is the relationship between MobileIron and Microsoft EMS. EMS stands for Enterprise Mobility Suite, and this is one of the key product suites that Microsoft is taking to market. MobileIron and EMS are complementary. MobileIron handles end-to-end the security and management of the core applications and devices that you're deploying in your enterprise. EMS adds on top of that a set of identity features, a set of configuration features, and a set of rights features that together work in concert. EMS has three core components with, I'm sure, more to come over time. The first one, the most central and most important, we believe strategically to Microsoft, is Azure Active Directory Premium. This is Microsoft's identity and access management solution, which competes with Okta, Ping, OneLogin, and so forth. As identity moves from the directory services that existed on-premise with Active Directory and so forth into the cloud, it is absolutely essential for Microsoft's strategy to make sure that that moves into the Microsoft cloud, and that the additional IAM services of Azure Active Directory Premium are used in conjunction with the directory to provide the hooks into other applications and services that you as a customer might be deploying. Microsoft very much views, and they've been very public about this, as that identity is the central control plane, or one of the central control planes for the enterprise. And they're right, identity is absolutely fundamental to what you do in the enterprise. The ability to do that effectively in the Microsoft cloud depends on a customer adopting this particular component of EMS, Azure Active Directory Premium. Second component of EMS is Microsoft Intune. One of the key features that Intune has is that it configures Microsoft applications, specifically Office applications. So if you're a MobileIron customer, you'll be using MobileIron end-to-end for your enterprise mobility management, and you may have applications from SAP and Oracle and Salesforce.com, Concur, Workday, who knows, a whole bunch of different vendors, and you'll be running those across iOS, Android, Windows, a variety of different operating systems. One subset of the applications that you will have will very likely be the Microsoft applications in Office 365. And what Microsoft has done is Microsoft has released an additional set of configurations for those applications that are available if you own EMS. And so you use MobileIron for end-to-end EMM, and then you can go into EMS, and using the Intune backend, you can actually configure those Office 365 applications. A third part of EMS is Azure Rights Management, which allows you to attach rights to specific documents so only particular people can take actions on them. Undoubtedly, there will be other more extensive security capabilities that get built up in EMS over time as well. But for our customers, the important thing for them to remember is if they end up buying Microsoft EMS, it has a whole host of capabilities that will act in concert and be very complementary to what they're doing with MobileIron in their environment.